In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a daily and weekly planner in ClickUp. We'll set up two simple planners in ClickUp using lists and a recurring task, so your routine shows up automatically without manual copying. Start inside ClickUp and look to the left sidebar. That's your main navigation. Choose the space where you want these planners to live. Keeping both planners in the same space makes them easy to find and report on later. Inside your chosen space, create your daily planner. Click the plus icon to add something new, then select List. Give this list a clear name like Daily so it's obvious what belongs here, and click Create. The list is just a container. The real power comes from the task you place inside it. Open that new daily list and click Add Task. This single task will be your repeating daily planner item. After naming it, set a due date so the first occurrence lands on the day you want to start. Next, open the due date options and choose Set Recurring. Pick the daily option, confirm the schedule that fits your routine, and save. Saving applies the recurrence to the task, so once you complete it each day, ClickUp will automatically schedule the next one. If you ever need to pause the routine, you can remove recurrence later without deleting the task. Now let's mirror that setup for your weekly routine. Back in the same space, click the plus icon again, choose List, name it Weekly, and click Create. Open the weekly list, click Add Task, set the first due date for the day you want this to recur, then choose Set Recurring and select Weekly. Save to lock it in. You've now got two planners, one that returns every day and one that comes back weekly. A few quick tips to keep things clean and effective. Use short task names and place details, checklists, or links in the task description so you don't clutter your list view. Consistent naming like daily and weekly makes filtering and searching easier. When you check off the daily task, expect the next instance to appear automatically according to the schedule you chose, and the same goes for your weekly task. That's it. You've created a straightforward daily and weekly planner in ClickUp that updates itself, keeps you organized, and saves time every single week.